everyone, a very interesting concept today. That is one of the reasoning concept called coding decoding. So before going to start the topic, I request you all to don't skip the video and watch till the end so that you may get a better idea regarding this concept, right? So coming to the topic, actually what is coding? Coding decoding is an integral part of the logical reasoning section in many competitive exams like banking, SSC, etc. It basically judges the candidate's ability to decipher the code language. In each question of this topic, a word and a coded form of the word will be given. So, students are required to decode the logic behind this coding and then apply the same logic to another given word for finding the answer in the form of a code. And in simple words, it can be said like coding is the process of converting a word into another language by using letters and numbers, while decoding is to convert the coded value back into the normal language. And let us understand the coding decoding concept in detail by solving some examples. And before going to solve the examples, firstly we have to know the number positions of each and every alphabet so that we can solve it more better. And coming to the examples, in this example a files is written as coded language GJMFT, and how will scout will be written in that code. So here the logic is that after F, G is arriving. That means here all the alphabets are in sequential order. After F, the next coming letter is G, and after I, the next coming letter is J. After L, the next coming letter is M. After E, F, S, T. So likewise, we need to write the coding for scout. Here in the scout, SCOUT, after S the next coming letter is T, and after C the next coming letter will be D. Likewise, we need to write the letter after the preceding letter. So our answer will be TDPVU, that is option B. And in the next question, here this question is a reverse of the first question. That means here in number is written as MTLADQ, and how will violin be written in that code? So here the logic is that the alphabets are in reverse order. That means number and MTLADQ. Here we need to check reverse. That means after MN, after TU, that means we have to check in reverse order. Then in the same way for violin we need to write in reverse order. Before we get the letter as U, and before I we get the letter as H. Likewise, we need to write for each and every letter. Then our answer will be U, H, N, K, H and M. And the option will be C. This is another logic. And in next question, in a certain code, blue is written as AJRA. What is the code for white? So first we need to write the number positions for each and every alphabet. Blue and AJRA. Here the number position for B will be 2, and for L it will be 12, and for U it will be 21, and for E it is 5. So here we need to check. We need to check for the next coming letters, that is AJRA. Here A is 1, J is 10. Likewise, we need to check here. Either we need to subtract or we need to add. So we have to get AJRA coding. and here if we subtract 2 minus 1 we get as 1. So the first position of the alphabet is A, and 12 minus 2 we get 10. So second and 10th position is J. Likewise, we need to write the code for white. For white, W is 28, H is 8, I is 9, T is 20, and E is 5. And same like in the previous code, we need to subtract minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. Here 23 minus 21 becomes 22. And 8 minus 2 becomes 6. Next, 9 minus 3 becomes 6, 20 minus 4 becomes 16, and 5 minus 5 becomes 0. And the 22nd position is V, and 6th position is F, and next 6th is F, and 16th is P. So in alphabetic series we don't have 0 letter, 0th position. So in this case we need to consider 0 as Z. In every case, whether if we get 0, we need to consider 0 as Z letter. So our code will be VFFPZ. And next question, in certain code chat is written as DJDX. What is the code for lucky? First, here we need to write the number positions for chat and as well as DJDX. And the number position for C will be 3. And the H will be 8, A will be 1, T will be 20. And likewise, if we add 3 plus 1, we get 4. The 4th position will be D. And if we add 8 plus 2, we'll get 10. The 10th position will be J. So here we need to check, either we need to subtract, either we need to add. So that we need to get the number positions of the coded language. And in the same way, we need to check for lucky. The number position for L will be 12. And U will be 21, and C will be 3, and K will be 11, and Y will be 25. And here in the same way we need to add plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, and plus 5. Then we get 12 plus 1, we get as 13. 21 plus 22 is 23. And 3 plus 3 is 6, 11 plus 4 is 15, 25 plus 5 is 30. So here the positions are, positions for these numbers are M, W, F, O. But in the alphabets we don't have the number as 30. So in this case we need to subtract 30 minus total number of alphabets, that is 30 minus 26. If the number will be greater than 26, we need to subtract from all the alphabets, that is 30 minus 26 we get as 4. The 4th letter in the alphabets is D. So the answer will be D. And overall code is MWFOD. This is our answer. These are some examples of coding and decoding, and in further videos I will be coming up with another new concept. Until then, it's bye from me. Thank you.